Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you at the dynamic clock on a Samsung Galaxy S25 FE lock screen. So recently launched the Samsung S25 FE device running with the latest One UI 8 version and Android 16. So you can adjust the adaptive clock on the lock screen on your device. That will adjust depend on the wallpaper. So let's see how to set up a adaptive clock on your Samsung S25 FE. So first of all, lock your device and long press on the lock screen. Unlock your S25 FE. Now here you can see the clock style. So tap on it. Now here you can find the new clock style adaptive clock. Here you can see. So tap on it on your device. Now here you can adjust the clock style. It will automatically adjust on the wallpaper automatically. Like here we set this. Now you can see it will automatically adjust the clock style on the wallpaper you set on your device. So you can easily change it or it will automatically adjust on your Samsung S25 FE or any other One UI 8 device. So very amazing and new features in the latest One UI 8, this adaptive clock feature. So you can adjust it. Also you can change the wallpaper that will automatically apply the clock style location like this on your device. So very helpful. You can also change the different clock style in the lock screen, but not all clock style support this adaptive clock. You need to go to font and color and make sure select the first or second style, different style available on a device. After that, go to font and color, and here you can find this new adaptive clock feature. Just tap on it and it will automatically adjust like this depend on the wallpaper you set. So it will automatically adjust. So very helpful feature to set the adaptive clock or dynamic clock on your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Tap on a done on your device. Now lock changes apply to lock screen. Now lock your phone and you can see change the lock screen clock style on your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. That's it. Do you like this new adaptive clock feature on your Samsung device? Please tell us in the comment box. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.